Today I'm going to show you how to search for messages in Slack. So right here at the top of this page, you'll see it says search Big Boss Photos. This is the name of my space that I've created here in Slack. What you're going to do is go in here and you're going to type in something that you would like to search for. Now I'm going to search for any messages with the word image in it. You'll see here are 2 messages with the word image in it. Now if you go and click on it, it'll take you on the right hand side to the actual message, so you can actually scroll and you can see the rest of the conversation. Maybe you're looking for a thread of messages and you'll find it there. Now you can also search over here. You can filter out messages, DMs, files, people, channels, canvases, and then you can ask for the display to be in the left sidebar, and then you can also filter out who it is coming from. You can see over here what channel it is in, and then you can choose only your channels. You can exclude automations, and then there are a bunch more filters that you can use to do a bit more of an advanced search. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead, click on the back arrow here. You will now see that you are back to your regular page.